The most popular New Year dishes. Here are some of the most popular New Year's dishes around the world, often associated with good luck and prosperity for the coming year. Traditional dishes for good luck. Pork. In many cultures, pork is a popular choice for New Year's meals. It symbolizes progress and forward movement, as pigs root forward while they eat. Black-eyed peas. These legumes are believed to bring wealth and good fortune. They're often served with collard greens and cornbread for a complete lucky meal. Lentils. Similar to black-eyed peas, lentils are associated with prosperity and abundance. They're often cooked into soups or stews. Cabbage. The layered leaves of cabbage symbolize money, so eating it on New Year's Day is thought to bring financial success. Greens. Leafy green vegetables like kale and spinach are often eaten to symbolize wealth and growth. Celebratory dishes. Caviar. A luxurious and festive food, caviar is often served as an appetizer or hors d'oeuvre on New Year's Eve. Champagne. A sparkling wine that symbolizes celebration and good times, champagne is a popular choice for toasting the new year. Roasted meats. Roasted meats like beef, lamb, or pork are often served as the main course for a hearty New Year's feast. Seafood. Seafood, particularly fish and shellfish, is often associated with good luck and prosperity. Desserts. Rich and decadent desserts like cakes, pies, and pastries are a popular way to end a New Year's meal. Ultimately, the most popular New Year's dishes vary depending on cultural traditions and personal preferences. However, these traditional foods are a delicious way to ring in the new year and set the stage for a prosperous year ahead. Would you like to learn about specific New Year's traditions and dishes from a particular culture?